Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are doing good, staying healthy at home. In today's class, we will discuss about different types of questions as well as answer of chapter 2. Based on this video, you will get a FAQ sheet. So listen this video very carefully so that you can give the answer easily. Let's start. Say chapter 2 virus alert. Question can be, what do you mean by computer virus? Answer will be, it is a malicious program loaded in computer and perform malicious actions. Question can be, write some of the harm caused by computer virus. Answer, corrupting data, stealing system resources and control. Define different types of virus. Macrovirus, a virus written in macro language and embedded inside a software application such as Word, Excel, etc. Macro means an instruction that carry out command automatically. Memory resistant virus, it acts when operating system start running and they are normally found in RAM. Next, file infector virus. These type of virus attack particularly on executable program. Directory virus, also known as cluster virus, and infect the file with the extension .exe or .com. It changes the location path of original program file. Direct action virus. These viruses found in the root directory of hard disk and get activated, and direct action virus replicate itself, begin to attack the files in the directory and folder specified with auto.exe.bat path. Boot infector virus. It often attacks the boot record of hard disk. Multiparasite virus, a virus that infect and spread in multiple ways. Last, email virus. It infects our email program such as Microsoft Outlook and gain access to its address book. Next question. Define other malicious program. Answer will be Trojan horse. These are the well-known malicious programs that often specially created to trace login detail of a user and imitate the appearance of a regular software. Worms, a malicious program that replicates itself and consume disk space in order to make the PC slow. Question can be in the form of difference between virus and worm. Answer will be virus, it need a host program to infect other system, and in worm it do not need a host program to infect other system. Virus, it harm our computer system by corrupting or deleting a file. Worm, it do not harm any file or data, it only consume memory space of disk. Next, what do you mean by antivirus software? A software which protect our system from these threats. Next question, define different types of antivirus software. Answer, Avast antivirus. It provides varieties of features such as file protection, email protection and browser protection. Next, AVG antivirus. It provides protection against virus, spyware and other type of malware. It is free of cost and provide basic protection to our system. Norton antivirus, an anti-malware software with enhanced security features. Kaspersky Internet Security. This software known to provide multiple layers of protection such as scan, update, save money and parental control. Next, McAfee antivirus. It offers complete security package to protect data, identity and privacy of our computer system. Then, next question can be, what do you mean by spyware? It means a type of malware designed to gather information about the user's internet surfing habits. Next question can be, step to install AVG antivirus software. Answer, open the location of installation file, double click the installation file. Next point, AVG antivirus free setup dialog box appears. Next, click install. Next, follow the instructions given in the subsequent screen. And last point will be the installer automatically download the software. Next question can be in the form of fill up. You should not dash more than one antivirus software on a single computer system. Install. Answer will be install. Next question can be, define other options of scan in antivirus. Answer will be computer scan to scan the entire computer, deep scan to run longer, more intensive malware scan. Next, USB DVD scan to scan removable media, file or folder scan to scan specific file or folder. Hope you understood this chapter questions as well as their answers. Now I am sending you a FAQ sheet. Thank you.